12:23 here on this, still what should be a hot Friday across the valley. Temperatures could hit 100 degrees in some areas. Probably going to be just about as hot over the weekend, but we could start to see temperatures drop a bit next week. So small chances of rain today and Saturday. We're talking 10 or 20%. I think we're probably dry nearly everywhere on Sunday, but better rain chances finally returning next week. It does look like some tropical moisture spilling in, a little maybe weak disturbance passing by to the south, maybe close enough to bring up some moisture for better rain chances with scattered daytime showers and storms, and keeping temperatures a little cooler next week. You know, not like 75 degrees, but maybe like 90 to 95 instead of 95 to 100 or hotter. 93 right now in Weslaco, 93 in Harlingen and Raymondville, 95 in Rio Grande City and Brownsville. And everyone's still feeling pretty humid out there, keeping the heat index right now close to 100 degrees or hotter. 105 the heat index in Brownsville, and 99 in McAllen. Now highs today still, I think enough sunshine is around, especially in the upper valley, get temperatures over 100, going for about 103 in Rio Grande City, 102 in San Ysidro, near 101 or so in McAllen, 100 in Weslaco. Most of the lower valley probably at least in the upper 90s. You know, if the sea breeze is able to start to generate a few more clouds or maybe an isolated shower in here, you might be able to knock a few degrees off these temperatures, but still generally pretty hot. Satellite radar shows all the moisture is still out in the Gulf, some showers out there, but as this kind of area of moisture and showers moves westward, you might start to see a couple showers pop up with the sea breeze this afternoon, but again, rain chances are pretty small. In fact, Future Track says not going to rain, but it might rain in a couple spots. It kind of shows by 2 p.m. the sea breeze line right here where the patch of clouds is moving west across Cameron and Wilsey counties, and again may spark a brief shower or two between, say, about 1 p.m. and 5 or 6 p.m. After that, dry weather tonight if you have any Friday night plans, and then tomorrow a little more moisture enters the areas. I think rain chances come up a bit more tomorrow. You see maybe a couple showers here and there in spots during the midday and afternoon hours, but still a lot of places staying dry on Saturday, but maybe a few more clouds around, and that could help drop temperatures just a couple degrees compared to today. By the time we get to Sunday, still I think the atmosphere dries out more on Sunday, and that means probably no rain. Sunday may end up being just a fairly sunny and hot day where temperatures again near 100. By Monday, though, next week, we'll show you the NAM model later on this hour, but with more moisture coming in, this model run ends in the morning, but I think we'll start to see chances of rain come up again by afternoon. So your Labor Day weekend, 97 tomorrow, 100 on Sunday, and then maybe a little cooler, a cool 95 on Monday, and about a 40% chance for rain returns on Monday, and that could be in about that range for maybe Tuesday and Wednesday as well. Now in the tropics we have, well, the big story, not in the Gulf, quiet in the Gulf. There's a little weak upper level disturbance right here that's drifting west. That's something that may get close enough for rain next week, but the big story, Hurricane Dorian there, you see it now has an eye on it in the last couple frames as it's intensifying, at least expected to intensify more this afternoon. Winds right now at 110 miles per hour, moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. You see it's forecast to move toward the Bahamas as a Category 4 hurricane by Sunday and Monday. It could be close to Florida Monday morning, could make landfall near the Florida coast over central southern Florida by late Monday or Tuesday. And from there, it could start to slow up and kind of drift north over the next a couple of days after that. So it could be a big rainmaker across Florida, maybe eventually Georgia, and possibly even eventually later next week, South Carolina and North Carolina. So anywhere you're traveling along the southeast coast from this weekend through next week, you definitely want to check travel plans because especially Florida could be hit pretty badly. Today, near 100, partly sunny this afternoon, maybe about a 10% chance for a shower, but most places staying dry. And then tonight down to 77 degrees, very late tonight, but most in the evening hours are going to be in the 80s after sunset. Hot through the weekend through Saturday and Sunday. Again, maybe a few degrees cooler tomorrow just because of a few more clouds and maybe a shower or two. From Labor Day, though, through at least most of next week, the chances of rain come up to roughly about 30 or 40%, especially Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We could have more showers and storms scattered in the afternoon. That could help push temperatures down just a little, highs in the low 90s, and we'll keep tracking it coming up in your first 1-5 forecast.